Welcome to my tutorial showing how to do a Facebook Live with a split screen so you can interview 2 or more people. This is for using 2 iPhones. So go to your Facebook profile and you're going to scroll down until you see the live icon. It's the little video camera with live next to it. Click on that. Take you to a screen where you're going to see the little people, a little person with a plus sign. Click that. That'll bring you to a list of your friends. You've invited some, given them a warning. So I'm clicking Diana. Now click the 3 little vertical lines on the right and then click bring a friend. And there's Diana again. And then click go live at the bottom. And then Diana has been invited.
See if Diana gets the right to join on my live Facebook tutorial. It can take about 10 seconds for that. And there she is. That is marvelous. Very well, and thank you so much for joining my tutorial. What did you see on your end?
Invite to join you, and when I pressed on that, it did say join with video. I clicked that on, and that's how I'm here.
Great, just a little bit of a delay, but it did work. Thank you so much.